Fiesta, fiesta, y pluma, pluma, guy. Pluma, pluma, guy. Pluma, 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 guy. Fiesta, fiesta, y pluma, pluma, guy.
See, at first I was very confused why people keep saying Mexicans aren't going anywhere. Now, if you're talking about deportations, ICE is only going after illegal immigrants. Now, it could be from Mexico, it can be from Japan, it can be from Russia, it can be from China, it can be from India, any country. You people making content like this is pretty much saying that you think all Mexicans are illegal. And that, my friend, is racist.